How to use Sunbucks on Amazon. Follow my instructions. To use your Sunbucks benefits on Amazon, you first need to link your EBT card to your Amazon account. Start by visiting the Amazon Snap EBT page. Just search Amazon EBT or go to amazon.com/snap. Click on Add your SNAP BT card and sign in with your Amazon account. Next, enter your Sunbucks EBT card number and click Save. Once linked, you'll get access to all the SNAP-eligible grocery items on Amazon. Look for labels like EBT-eligible or use the filter to only show items that can be purchased with EBT. Now, browse for groceries through Amazon Fresh, Whole Foods, or regular Amazon listings that qualify. Add your items to the cart. At checkout, make sure the SNAP EBT box is checked, and if needed, you can split the payment. EBT will cover eligible items, and your debit or credit card will pay for extras like delivery fees or non-SNAP products. Before confirming your order, you may be asked to enter your EBT PIN. Once payment is complete, your groceries will be delivered just like any other Amazon order. Keep in mind, Sunbucks follow standard EBT rules. They cannot be used for fees or non-food items. Also, Amazon may offer free delivery if your total meets the minimum. So look out for that. Thanks for watching.